A prosperous Saudi Arabia-based company has opened up the various exclusive job vacancies for technicians and its related services. So, what are the job positions? What will be the salary and major free benefits by company? What are the requirements to apply? The proper details, contacts and addresses to secure your job primarily. Hunt's Job Commercials YouTube channel is there for you to provide accurate and exciting overseas job opportunities every time. So let's get started. Name of the company is Innova, a leading, well-established company which has highly impacted the entire Middle East region and is providing extraordinary customer satisfaction through decades of experience in offering integrated energy and facility management services like HVAC and refrigeration services, electrical system maintenance, building maintenance and many more specialized services. Company is hiring candidates in large numbers, hence it becomes really a good opportunity to capture your right destination at Dammam, Saudi Arabia, which will be your job location too. So let's dive into the list of job positions, which are HVAC technicians, electrician, plumber, BMS technicians, mechanical technicians, painter, carpenter and mason. To apply among all these job positions, few points you need to note are: candidates must have 3 years of experience in respective job positions along with experience certificate. Candidates should be NVTI qualified, that is National Vocational Training Institute, as an educational qualification. Now coming to the salary part, please note down with proper attention. Candidates with local experience applying for Technician 1 positions, particularly in HVAC, electrical, plumbing, mechanical and civil, will have a basic salary of 1250 Saudi Riyals plus 325 Saudi Riyals extra for 4. Candidates with GCC experience applying for Technician 2 positions, particularly in HVAC, electrical and mechanical, will have a basic salary of 1500 Saudi Riyals plus 325 Saudi Riyals extra for 4. Candidates with GCC experience applying for Technician 2 positions, particularly in plumbing and civil, will have a basic salary of 1400 Saudi Riyals plus 325 Saudi Riyals extra for 4. One more thing to grab your attention is that this company is willing to offer you various benefits such as food allowance, free accommodation for your stay and free transportation too, medical insurance and provide you paid leaves too. Hurry up guys to apply because shortlisting has already started at SMAX Ghana. If you are selected, then your final interview will be held soon. All the necessary contact details and address is here on your screen and it's also available in the description box below. Do subscribe our Hunt's Job Commercials YouTube channel, as our aim is to provide you the best jobs available across overseas countries. Do join our Facebook and LinkedIn groups so you could get updates of jobs. All the links are given in the description below. Share this video with your friends and family who are in need of these kind of opportunities. We appreciate you for being with us till now. Thank you so much and we will see you soon. Take care.